In a world where financial stability is more important than ever, finding reliable sources of information and guidance in the realm of forex trading can be a challenge. That's where Forexsuggest comes in. Forexsuggest.com is the ultimate destination for forex traders of all levels, with a user-friendly interface and a wealth of information. Forexsuggest.com is your one-stop hub for all things forex. We provide a huge variety of trading content to help you decide which broker best suits your needs. From top picks by country to the best trading platforms, we provide you with all the information you need to make informed decisions regarding your trading needs and objectives. Filter by the best forex brokers with the lowest minimum deposits or the best brokers by account types. Our articles and reviews provide in-depth information regarding a broker's spreads, accounts, regulation, and more. We provide reviews on brokers, articles about the top-rated broker choices, guides, as well as a plethora of content regarding stocks and so much more. All our reviews and articles can be viewed in 40 languages, so you can keep up to date on all our content no matter where you are. You can use our charts, which are designed to be customizable and can be tailored to your specific needs, with a range of chart types and timeframes available. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, our charts provide the data you need to stay ahead of the game. You can also check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we provide hundreds of videos related to all things trading for you to watch whenever you like, free of charge. With our real-time quotes, customizable charts, and analysis, Forexsuggest.com has everything you need to make informed trading decisions. With our user-friendly interface, you'll be able to navigate our website with ease, even if you are new to the world of Forex. So don't wait any longer, and sign up for Forexsuggest.com today, and start trading with confidence. Your success in the Forex market is just a few clicks away. Forexsuggest.com, your one-stop hub for all things Forex.